Without much further ado, may I invite back on stage our chief guest, Shri Prabhu Chawla, to please hand over these strategic trophies here tonight. And I'd like him to be joined by Mr. Ashok Chawla, who has been the jury chair for these particular awards, and of course, Mr. Anurag Batra, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief of the Exchange for Media Group. Request all these three fine gentlemen to please come up on stage so that we can set the ball rolling as far as the awards are concerned. There are 16 trophies to be given away and one special jury award as well. And to join these fine gentlemen, may I also invite on stage Ms. Radha Singh to hand over some of the trophies. Request you, ma'am, to please come up on stage. Now, we'll start off with the first category. First category is Sustained Wealth Creation for Large Enterprises. Could we have the shortlisted nominees, please? Mr. Rajesh Gopinathan, Tata Consultancy Services, and to accept the trophy on his behalf, Mr. S.K. Nair is here. Congratulations, the first trophy gone. For our next category, could we have the shortlisted nominees for mid-size enterprises? Congratulations one more time, Mr. Thomas. We're moving on to our next category, which is Healthy Balance Sheet Management. Let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. The trophy goes to Mr. Somin Chakrabarti from Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Award for Healthy Balance Sheet Management Large Enterprise. Moving on for the same category for mid-size enterprise, let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. We have Mr. Raman, Head Administration, on behalf of Mr. Gopikishan to receive this trophy from Atul Limited. Moving on to our next category, that is going to be acknowledging consistent liquidity management. Let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. Congratulations, Mr. Anil George, for keeping the liquidity consistent in Voltas Limited. No mean achievement that. Moving on, let's find out who managed to consistently maintain liquidity in medium enterprises. Let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. All right, can we hear it out loud for Mr. Naresh Bhansali? Consistent liquidity management for medium enterprise. Mr. Bhansali is representing Imami Limited. Moving on to our next category, which is Best Transformation Agent. Let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are in the large size sector. Give it out loud for Rajesh Gupta from Havells India Limited. He's not here with us tonight, but we have Mr. Anil Sharma, who is going to be receiving the award on behalf of Mr. Gupta from Havells. Moving on to our next category, which is Best Transformation Agent for Medium Enterprise. Let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. Congratulations, Mr. Arvind Agarwal, for being the transformation agent for medium enterprise. Mr. Arvind Agarwal is representing Ajanta Pharma Limited. The next category being felicitated tonight is Best PSU for Large Enterprises. Let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. Mr. P. Balasubramaniam from Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, being felicitated for the Best PSU Large Enterprise. Moving on to the Best PSU for Mid-size Enterprises, let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. Mr. Basu from Tide Water and Oil Limited, being felicitated for the Best PSU Mid-size Enterprise. All right, we're moving on to our next category, which is Best MNC Large Enterprises. Could we have the shortlisted nominees, please? and Mr. P.B. Balaji. We have Mr. Asif Malabari, Group Finance Controller, to receive the award on behalf of Mr. Balaji from Hindustan Unilever Limited. All right, let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are for Best MNC Medium Enterprise. Can we hear it out loud for Rajiv Sonalkar from Abbott India Limited, being awarded for the Best MNC Medium Enterprise. All right, moving on to the next category, much talked about category, of course, about the Best Women CFO. Let's have the shortlisted nominees. Can we hear it out loud for Ms. Rashmi Joshi from Castrol India Limited, being felicitated for the Best Woman CFO. Yes, well done indeed, and congratulations one more time. We're moving on to our next subcategory, which is Best Inorganic Growth Strategy. Let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. It's Mr. Ashok Modi from Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited. He's not here with us tonight, but may I call on stage Mr. Kripal Singh Bish to receive the award on behalf of Mr. Modi. So we've almost reached the last leg of the awards. The category being felicitated right now is Best Creating Shared Value. Let's find out who the shortlisted nominees are. One more time, another trophy for Mr. P.B. Balaji from Hindustan Unilever. One more time, requesting Mr. Asif Malabari, Group Finance Controller from HUL, to receive the award on Mr. Balaji's behalf. The next award is the highlight for the evening, considering it's the overall Champion CFO Award. Let's find out who the winner is. The second trophy again for the overall champion CFO going to Mr. Rajesh Gopinath of TCS. He's not here with us, and we have Mr. S.K. Nair receiving the trophy on his behalf. And the last award tonight is a special award category put together by the jury. It's again the overall champion CFO. Let's find out who the winner is. Mr. Naresh Bhansali from Imami Limited, the Special Jury Award for the Champion CFO. And congratulations one more time to all the winners along with the shortlisted nominees for being chosen best in specific categories, best CFO awards being completed here tonight. Thank you all for joining us on stage. I'd like to acknowledge the partners here tonight without whom events like these are not possible. Research partner Ipsos, television partner ET Now, luxury partner Da Milano, and live webcast partner 24 Frames Digital.